Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. My name is Miles Trades, and this is today's trade recap. Like actually today, 7/20 of 2026. So let's get into it, right? Now I was fresh off the shitter. I'm not gonna lie. Don't fry me. Not fry me. But anyways, I was fresh off the shitter. Okay, that's not important. But make sure I hit that instead of stop streaming. Okay, back. So yeah. Okay, so this is what happened, right? Full screen. 8:30, which is right here, market had a huge rip up. And as you can see, the sell off happened. I'm not gonna lie, I'm the type of person I would immediately trade that sell off just because it looked good, and market actually kept going down from there just a little bit, right? So we can see the sell off happen, right? Now let's continue. Okay, so as you can see, price continues going down from this point, and we have a slight rebound. Boom. Then, consolidation a little bit, and then boom. So, wait, is this my trade? I think it is my trade. Okay, bet. Select R. Yes, okay, that is my trade. So essentially what happened was, right, I was on the shitter, right? And I came off the shitter because I was in a trade. I was in a Discord call with my boys and them. Boys, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, anyway. So after this counter, right, what happens is we go down and then boom, right? Bam. Next candle green. Perfect, right? Boom. And then bam. Keep going up. This is what I took right here, right? This is my trade. So let me show you guys what happened, right? So essentially what happened was I'm gonna go right here to this bar, right? We're gonna skip the first candle. Skip the first candle. And the second candle, right? But it's really the second candle. But anyways, what happened was I hit a buy, right? And I had an 800 to 58 stop point, right? So let's just do that, right? And that puts me up around 438. So let's continue, right? Hit play. Essentially in the events, that's what happened on my trade, right? As you can see, we kind of went down right here. Little price manipulation, go down, boom, bam. This is a turning point, or what I would call, there was nothing down here, by the way. This is just for me, this is like the resistance or demand zone, right? Buyers will want to buy it right here in this zone, right? Even though there's nothing else down here, right? As you can see, I got in on that second candle, right? And I held to right here, putting me out of about 430 bucks on the day. I think was my trade was like 439. My take profit was actually 100 take profit, right? Which is pretty small because I definitely could have held my take profit, as you can see. If I would have kept going just a little bit more, we could have potentially got something. If I would have, like, I knew it was about to rebound, but like I was literally fresh out the wake up, right? But yeah, so essentially what happened was big rip, downside, sell side, BPR up here. That doesn't matter. Literally, I wish price got up here so I can trade a huge reversal. That would have been a nice trade as well. So yeah, anyways, so first candle comes in up on this BPR, absolutely rip it. I entered off the second candle, then I exit about right here, leaving me with a $439 profit on my funded account with Apex. It's a 50K. So yeah, that's my trade recap of the day. I'm glad I was able to like show you guys in a way. I'm gonna start doing more trade recaps, or really and truthfully just like recorded sessions, so like y'all can see what I'm thinking, what I'm going through, and like how my process is when trading. But yeah, that is my trade recap. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I also ask that you guys check out my clothing brand, velocityclothingal.com. It'll be in the link because I actually got some fire merch on there. And today is the last day for pre-order, but I'm extending it. So yeah, I'm extending it. So yeah. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys have a great trading week this week. And yeah, just get out there, take some W's, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be posted right after this one. Goodbye.